Hello, my name is Owen, and today's video is on replacing the rear derailleur on your Titan bike. The tools you're going to need are a chain breaker, a 15mm socket wrench, a 9mm socket wrench, and a pair of wire cutters. To start, use the chain breaker to separate the chain. If you're unsure how to do this, we have a whole video dedicated to doing just that, and we will put the link in the description below. Next, use the wire cutters to clip the cap off the end of the derailleur cable. Once you've done this, you can start loosening the cable anchor bolt with the 9mm socket wrench, and then pull the cable out of the barrel. Now you can start loosening the main locking nut with the 15mm socket wrench. When you have it partially loose, move to the 9mm socket and remove the small dropout nut next to the main locking nut. Then fully loosen the main locking nut until you can remove the derailleur. Now that you have your new derailleur ready, start by placing it over the wheel axle and replacing the dropout nut to keep it steady. Be sure to screw the dropout nut that goes into the washer that goes behind the frame of the bike. Once the dropout nut has been secured, you can then screw the main locking nut back onto the wheel axle and then tighten it down with the wrench. Now, take the derailleur cable and feed it back into the derailleur, making sure you have a long enough bit of cable sticking out the bottom of the barrel. Then slide the chain back into the derailleur, making sure it is properly looped on the upper and lower pulleys, then relink the chain. Finally, take the derailleur cable sticking out the bottom of the barrel adjustment and feed it back into the cable anchor bolt and tighten it down. Now you know how to replace the rear derailleur on your Titan bicycle. You will likely need to adjust the derailleur to ensure the new one shifts correctly, but we've already done a video on that, and we'll place a link in the description below so you can watch it. We do hope you found this video informative, and hope that you'll return for more videos from Titan Bicycle Academy. We'd also love it if you would like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter or Instagram. The links to all those will be in the description below. Thank you, and as always, ride safe.